Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing both devices. Make sure your Series 9 is charged above 50% and your iPhone is nearby. Open the Watch app, enable health and fitness permissions, and sync accounts. Then configure wrist detection and heart rate settings because accurate sensors depend on correct placement and permissions. Once done, pick your primary workout types and set personal metrics like age and weight so calorie estimates are meaningful. Now you're ready to begin a tracked session that collects reliable heart rate, and next, choose the exact workout and create a goal. Distance, time, or calories. Enable GPS for outdoor sessions and turn on autopause so stops don't skew averages. Calibrate your watch by doing a steady 20-minute walk or run with your phone to improve pace and stride accuracy. Make custom metrics visible during the workout, add current pace, heart rate zone, cadence, and lap splits, because real-time feedback helps you adjust intensity. Finally, start with a short warm-up to let sensors stabilize. To finish, stop and save the workout. Make sure it syncs to the fitness app on your iPhone for a full summary of calories, zones, and splits. Review trends over the last week to spot progress or fatigue. If you want deeper analysis, export or share specific workouts. If numbers look wrong, recalibrate by repeating the calibration run, clean the back sensor with a lint-free cloth, and restart both devices. That fixes most sensor or sync issues. If problems persist, toggle health permissions and retry.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.